हेलो तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने एक और नई वीडियो लेकर हाजिर हो चुका हूँ। ठीक है, हिस्ट्री ऑफ प्लेन। ठीक है, जैसा कि आप लोगों को बताता चलूँ, मैं सबसे पहले हम लोग यहाँ पर अपनी हेडिंग दे देते हैं, हिस्ट्री ऑफ एयरप्लेन। हिस्ट्री ऑफ एयरप्लेन। The history of airplanes span our century of remarkable achievement in human innovations. ठीक है, early aviation's pioneers. ठीक है, Wright brothers and first power flight in 1903 century. Overwell and Wilbur Wright, two American aviation pioneer, made history with the first power controlled and sustained flights of an aircraft in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. An aircraft named Wright Flyer was a big plane with a wingspan of 12.13 meters. 12.13 meters, यानी कि 40 फीट, and 12 horsepower engine. Our wheel-right pilot the first flight, which lasted 12 seconds in covered a distance of 36.5 meters. ठीक है, यानी कि जो बनते हैं 120 फीट। ठीक है, उसके बाद अब वर्ल्ड वार आई एंड एविएशन advancement. During World War I, airplanes were used from recognitions, aerial combat and bombing led to rapid advancement in aviation technology, include more powerful engines, better and weapon system. After the war, airplanes were used for commercial purposes such as passenger transportation and mail delivery, leading to the growth of aviation industry. Golden Age of Aviation. In the 1920 and 1913th century, there were a golden age of aviation worked by numerous aviation record advancement in aircraft designs and the growth of commercial aviation. Pioneers like Carl Lindbergh, Amelia and Howard and historic flight and pushed by boundaries of aviation. Modern aviation. Since of mid-20th century, aviation has seen significant and advancement in technology, safety and commercial aviation. Commercial jetliners such as Boeing 747, Airbus A380 and many others have revolutionized air travel, making it more assembles and for people around the world. Aviation also been used a various purposes: transport, military operations, significant research and space exploration. In consolation of history of airplane is the remarkable story of human ingenuity, innovations and determinations from the early inventions, the pioneer of modern air of commercial and military aviation. ठीक है। तो नाज़रीन ये थी आज की हमारी वीडियो, ठीक है। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। गुजारिश है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, वीडियो को शेयर करें जी। शुक्रिया।